الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great at your home. So this is me, Azim from The Educated for Avias, and this video is for class 3 English. Okay, so class, in our previous video class, we have studied about the future tense, but in today's class, we will discuss the verbs in continuous tense. Before going to the topic, what is a continuous tense? What is a continuous tense? Continuous tense is a tense that denotes an incomplete or ongoing action. So continuous tense is a tense that denotes an incomplete or ongoing action. If the action refers to the present, so it's a present continuous tense. If the action refers to the past, so it's a past continuous tense. Or if the action refers to the future, so it's a future continuous tense. Now, how to form continuous tense? How to form continuous tense? Continuous tense is formed by adding ing to the main verb. Continuous tense is formed by adding ing to the main verb. For example, play is a verb, and if we want to form the continuous tense, so we will add ing playing. Eat is a verb, as all the action words are called verbs. So eat is a verb, ing continuous tense. Another important thing is that ing form can be added to a verb with a helping verb. We will always use a helping verb in continuous tense. Helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, will be. These all are the helping verbs. So in continuous tense, we will always use the helping verb and always use the ing form of the verb. Okay, so now look at these examples. It's a present tense example. Present simple. I play. In my previous video class, I have already told you that in present tense, we will always use the first form of the verb. So play is our first form of the verb. I play. It's a singular tense. I play. In present continuous, we will add ing with the main verb. Means playing. Playing, and we will always use a helping verb. In continuous tense, we will always use a helping verb. So I am playing. It's a present continuous tense. It's a present simple tense. Now plural, we play. Again, we will add ing and we will use helping verb are. Is and are the helping verbs of present tense. So here we will use are because here we have we. We is a plural noun. Now, as an example of the past tense. In past tense, we will always use the second form of the verb. Second form of the verb, I played. It's the past simple tense, I played. Singular tense, I played. So to form its continuous tense, we will use ing with the main verb and a helping verb was. Was and were are the helping verbs of the past tense. Here, I is a singular noun, so we will use was. I was playing. I played is the past simple. I was playing is the past continuous. Now plural, we played. We were playing. Okay, now here is an example of a future tense. Future simple, I shall play. In future simple, we will use the helping verb. In future simple, we use the helping verb will or shall with the first form of the verb. Now to form its future tense, we will add ing with the main verb and add be. Shall be. Plural, we shall play. We shall be playing. Okay, now come to the book work. This is your book, The Grammar Tree, Book 3. Take out your books. Open page number 30. First of all, write down date 17/8/21 and VL means video lesson. Now read the question. Pick out the verbs from each sentence and name the tense of each. So there are some sentences. You have to guess the tense of each sentence. One has been done for you. Mother was cooking lunch. First of all, it's a continuous tense because here we use ing form of the verb with ing with the main verb cooking. So it's a continuous tense, and the helping verb was were are the helping verbs of past. So it's a past continuous tense. Next one, the wind is blowing through the leaves of the tree. Again, blowing, so it's a continuous tense, and is, so it's a present continuous tense. Is blowing, and it's a present continuous tense. Next one, we listen to what he told us. It's not a continuous tense because here ing form of the verb is not used. So listened, it's a second form of the verb listen, so it's a past tense because in past tense we use the second form of the verb. Faisal fell asleep while our teacher was telling us a story. Was telling, it's a continuous tense, and this was shows us that it's a past continuous tense. Was telling, past continuous tense. Similarly, you have to complete all these 10 sentences in your book. Okay, now come to the exercise B. Choose the correct forms of the verb from those given in brackets and fill in the blanks. Now read the first blank. What dash we do now? Ask Nadia. You have three options. Were, shall be. Okay. Do is the first form of the verb. So were is used in a past tense. So we will not use were here. Shall be is used in the future continuous tense with the ing form. There is no ing form, so we will use the word shall. He was dash with fear. He was dash with fear. Shaking. It's a continuous tense. So in continuous tense, we will use ing form shaking. Next one, they will be dash home soon. This will be shows us that it's a future continuous tense. So we will use the ing form with the main verb. Now come to page number 31. Will the play dash now? Will the play dash now? It's a present tense. So we will use first form of the verb. Similarly, you have to do all these 15 blanks in your book. Now come to exercise C. Rewrite each sentence changing the tense of the verb to the mentioned in brackets. There are some sentences and there are some brackets in which the tense of the verb is given. You have to change the form of the verb into these bracket forms. One has been done for you. It is raining. You have to change this present continuous into the future continuous. So it will be raining. Will be is a helping verb used in future continuous. She sleeps on this bed. It's a present simple. You have to change it into the past simple. So she, in past, we will use the second form of the verb. She slept on this bed. Now third one. The water in the kettle was boiling. It's a past continuous tense. You have to change it into the future continuous tense. So the water in the kettle will be boiling. We will use will be and the ing form of the verb for the future continuous tense. Now come to page number 32. Again write down date and VL. There are some more sentences. You have to do all these sentences in your book. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do page number 30, 31 and 32 in your TGT book. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood the topic and you will do the homework as well at your home. So, inshallah, we will meet in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.